A disturbing development in the nationwide outbreak involving that rare Enterovirus 68.
A handful of children have now developed polio-like symptoms of muscle weakness or paralysis. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez is here now with more. Dr. Max?
Well, Christina Maurice, Enterovirus 68, which has caused this outbreak of respiratory infections across the country, is one member of a very large group of viruses that includes the poliovirus. And although EV68 has not been known to cause paralysis before, health officials are looking closely at this new development. It is a worrisome discovery at Children's Hospital in Denver that has health officials sending a nationwide alert. Over the last 6 weeks, 9 children have developed polio-like symptoms. The Colorado children have all shown muscle or limb weakness and polio-like symptoms. Of those 9 children, 4 tested positive for Enterovirus 68 and 1 case is unclear. It's also not clear whether the paralysis is permanent.
Some of these children are as young as 1 year of age, so it's difficult to tell whether or not it's just a weakness or a paralysis. We don't know from the doctors at Children's Hospital yet whether or not this would be reversible or whether this is permanent.
So far, there have been 277 confirmed cases of EV68 across 40 states in the U.S., including New York State and City. However, health officials cannot say for certain if the polio-like symptoms are caused by the virus.
We don't know yet whether some variant or some mutation could have occurred. That will depend, obviously, on more specific information to see if there's anything unusual about some of the different strains that might be out there.
Epidemiologist Dr. Stephen Morse of Columbia's Mailman School of Public Health says it's possible EV68 could have caused paralysis before, but it was never noticed because there has never been such a large outbreak. So the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have alerted hospitals to report any similar cases. Symptoms of EV68 include fever, cough, wheezing, and difficulty breathing. Now, importantly, 8 of the 9 children were in fact immunized against polio. So far, there have not been any polio-like cases reported in New York State, and neither the city or state is reporting case numbers because the health departments say it doesn't change treatment or prevention.
This is so unsettling, especially if you have little kids. What about preventing this scenario, prevention?
Well, prevention, Enterovirus 68 is pretty much just like any other cold virus. So prevention is similar. Lots of hand washing or hand sanitizer, cough into a tissue or cough into your elbow. And very important, please keep sick kids home to keep from spreading the virus even further. That's the only way we can kind of stop this epidemic from spreading.
Okay. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, Doc.